This video is about long division. For any division of a polynomial, we can use long division to handle. First of all, let's recall what we learned in elementary school. Let's do this long division. 134 divided by 3. We do the 13 divided by 3. That is 4. So first step, we do 13 divided by 3. We do divide. Then next step, we do 3 times 4. You got 12. So we get 12. That's the second step. We do multiply. Then we subtract. We got 1. Then the next step is drop down this 4. That's bring down. Then we keep the same procedure. 14 divided by 3, we got 4 again. So put the 4. Then multiply. Then subtract. We got the 2. 2 we call remainder. And 44, that's a quotient. We can write down 44 plus 2 over 3. For long division of a polynomial, we use the same procedure. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. For long division, remember, no missing power for both numerator and denominator. Then this is the steps. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. You can use family members to remember these steps. Like D stand for the dad, mom, sister, and a brother. For long division, what's the meaning for divide? Divide means the first term you do divide. Remember the key word is the first term. Multiply, no problem. But for subtract, it's hard for students to do the subtraction. So we do change sign, adding. That means a subtraction. Then you bring down to do one more these steps. Divide, multiply, subtract. For example, for 24. First of all, let's do this long division. Check no missing power. We do have missing power, that's 0x. Therefore, we write down 3x squared plus 0x minus 5. Then we divide it by x minus 2. We use these steps. Divide means the first term divide. So 3x squared divided by this x. We put over here 3x squared divided by x. That is 3x. Therefore, I write down 3x above this 3x squared. Then you will bring down 3x squared here. Definitely it's the same. So you don't have to do the extra work to do x times 3x. Then negative 2 times 3x. You got negative 6x. The next step is a change sign, adding. 3x squared is a positive, so I change it into negative. Then this one I change into positive. Then I do addition this time. The first term that's gone. So we got the 6x. Then I bring down this negative 5. Then we got to do divide again the first term. That's 6x divided by x. You got 6. So I add 6. Do multiplication. So 6x here. Negative 2 times this 6, you will get negative 12. Remember, change the sign, adding. So we got 7. We write down answer like 3x plus 6 plus 7 over x minus 2. Since we already learned the synthetic division, let's try synthetic division for this problem. Check whether we got the same answer. Root in the corner, that's we got the 2. No missing power, so 3, 0, negative 5. Drop down, we got 3. Multiply, here it's 6, adding 6. So 12, this will be 7. Then we got x squared. So this is x plus 6. And then we can write down the answer as 3x plus 6 plus 7 over x minus 2. Yeah, we got the same answer. But when you compare these two methods, when divisor is a linear function, recommend that you should use synthetic division. Now let's go to number 27. We do long division, but remember, no missing power for both numerator and denominator. We got 3x third, negative 4x squared. We need a 0x here. For denominator, we need a 0x also. So we write down 3x third power minus 4x squared plus 0x plus 7. For denominator, we got x squared plus 0x minus 2. Divide means the first term you got to do divide. So we got 3x third power divided by x squared, that is 3x. So we write down 3x here. Then next step is multiply. For the first term, you will get it itself. Then 3x times 0x, that definitely is 0x squared. Negative 2 times 3x, that is negative 6x. Then remember, change the sign. Then adding. So we got, this is gone. Negative 4x squared plus 6x. Then drop down. This is a 7. Then we go to the divide, means the first term divide. Negative 4x squared divided by x squared equals negative 4. So we write down negative 4 here. Negative 4x squared. The first term always the same. Then negative 4 times 0x, that is 0x. Negative 4 times negative 2, you will get positive 8. Then remember, change the sign. Adding. So we got 6x minus 1. Then we can write down plus 6x minus 1 over x squared minus 2. One more example, long division. no missing power. You check 4, 3, 2, 1 constant. Therefore, numerator has no missing power. For denominator, still you check no missing power. So we do long division now. We got the 4x4 minus 14x third minus 14x squared plus 110x minus 84. Then you divide it by 2x squared plus x minus 12. Divide means the first term divide. So we got 4x4 divided by 2x2. That is 2x2. 2x2. Then you go to do multiply. The first term will be itself. X times 2x squared, that is 2x third power. Negative 12 times 2x squared, that is negative 24x squared. Then remember, change the sign. Then adding. First term is gone. We got negative 16 x to the third power. Then plus 10x squared. Bring down plus 110x. So divide, that means negative 16x third power divided by 2x squared. You got negative 8x. So we write down negative 8x. Multiply. The first term, it will be itself. Then x times negative 8x, that is negative 8x squared. Negative 12 times negative 8x, that positive 96x. Still, change the sign. Adding. First term is gone. We got 18x squared plus 14x. Then we drop down minus 84. First term we do divide. 18x squared divided by 2x squared, you got 9. So plus 9. 18x squared stay. Then we do multiply. X times 9, that is positive 9x. That negative 12 times 9, that is negative 108. So change the sign, adding. You will get 5x plus 24. Therefore, the final answer will be 2x squared minus 8x plus 9 plus 5x plus 24 over 2x squared plus x minus 12.